Hello friends. Today we are going to learn poem You Start Dying Slowly, composed by a Chilean poet, Pablo Neruda. He composed many poems. He even won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. The poem is a free verse. The poet tells the readers to enjoy the life. Dying slowly means losing hope of a happy future, and poet told us to don't lose hope of a happy future. The only thing you can really change is yourself. If you do not travel, there are many interesting things in our life. We should enjoy each and every moment in our life. We should always be happy and ready to face any situations. The poet has told different and realistic examples to prove how beautiful life is. He has also made the effective use of the sentences start with if. We are suggested to travel as we can get knowledge of different places and come in contact with different people. We can know the culture and lifestyle of different people who live in different parts of the world. In Hindi cinema, also, life is described in described by songs such as जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. और इन मराठी जीवन गाणी गातच राहावे जीवन गाणी, झाले गेले विसरून जावे पुढे पुढे चालावे जीवन गाणी. इथे कवी आपल्याला असं सांगतात की झालं गेलं सगळं विसरून आपण जीवनात पुढे चालत राहिलो तर जीवन फार सुंदर आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे कवी सांगत आहे की तुम्ही जर जीवनाचा आनंद घेत नसाल तर तुम्ही तुमच्या आयुष्याला मुकत आहात. इफ यू डू नॉट रीड, द पोएट हॅज advised us to read. By reading, we can become knowledgeable. मराठीत तर म्हणच आहे, वाचाल तर वाचाल. Reading is a good habit. It makes a person wise and perfect. We should also listen the sounds of life. If you do not listen to the sounds of life, life is very beautiful. We should enjoy the life as it gives us different experiences. One should not complain about the life. We should be always ready to enjoy and face whatever life gives us. If you do not appreciate yourself, many people think that they are inferior or incapable. It means that they underestimate themselves. The poet has advised that we should admire our qualities. In short, the first stanza shows if we do not travel, read, listen to the life, and appreciate ourselves, we start dying slowly. We lose our interest in life if we could not do above things. When you kill your self esteem means a feeling of being happy with your own character and abilities. means self respect. Do not compromise with your principle. The poet has advised not to kill our self esteem or self respect. If we kill our self respect, we surrender ourselves. We cannot prove the best if we have no self respect. When you do not let other help you. Another thing is that we should allow others to help us. When we take the help of people, we can make strong relationship with them. We should not feel shy to take the help of others. The second stanza shows if we kill our self esteem and do not allow anyone to help us, we start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, the poet has advised us not to become a slave of our habit. We should try to do different things. One should not stick to only a thing. It is a quite monotonous to do the same thing again and again. We should try different things. As we know, we are become slave of our habits, just as mobile, TV, junk food, by beating nails, etc. Walking every day on the same paths. If you do not change your routine, we are suggested to change our routine. We should try to deal different things. We do not find much excitement to the assigned work daily. Hence, we should do the work that pleases us. If you do not wear different colors, we should also wear different clothes. The clothes reveals our personality. We should be friendly and social to be. Here, poets suggest that by saying wear different colors, that every moment of life is colorful and enjoy it. Or you do not speak to those you don't know. We should make many friends. We should talk to those which are unknown to us. We are advised to speak to those whom we do not know. The third stanza indicates that we should not be a slave of habits. We should choose different paths, change our routine, wear different clothes, and speak to unknown people. If we do not do about things, we start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion, we are suggested to do the things which gives pleasure and satisfaction to us. If we neglect the things which please us, we lose our interest in life and their turbulent emotions. We should also feel different emotions which cheer us. We have to complete the things which make our eyes shine. Those which make your eyes glisten. Glisten means shine, sparkle. Do the things that make your eyes glisten, the eyes shine, sparkle. Do that things, and your heart beat fast. That things, complete the things that make our heart beat fast. The fourth stanza tells us to feel our passion, emotions, and to glisten our eyes and heart beat fast. If we do not do these things, we start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, the poet has also suggested us to change our life. When you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, it means that we should try to do different things in every time. When we do not get happiness from our job or lovable person, we lose interest in our life. We should, if we do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, we should plan the things which make our life safe and secure. It means that we should not be careless at all. We also start dying slowly if we do not show the courage to risk something safe for something uncertain. If you do not go after a dream, we should have a strong desire to achieve our goal. Without efforts, nobody can become successful. We should always try to be perfect and capable. If we do not go after a dream, or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice at least once in our lifetime, even then we start dying slowly. The fifth stanza shows that we should change our life, get satisfaction from the job and lovable person, take risk, chase goal, and try always. If we do not do, then we start dying slowly.